Hey everyone, I'm Mr. Dow. If you're watching this video, you're probably thinking about taking AP Calculus AB. I'm here to tell you why you should take the course. I bet you've got some questions. You're probably asking yourself some questions like, is this class going to be difficult?
Am I even smart enough to take this class?
I mean, what is calculus? What's in this course? What are we even going to be talking about? I mean, valid questions. Let me tell you this. In my opinion, calculus is three things: limits and continuity, derivatives, and then integrals. At a basic level, it's just three concepts. Calculus is easy in a pure form. Is the class a challenge? Yes, the class is going to be a challenge. I'm not going to lie about that. Can I get you through it? Yes, I can get you through it. You've probably heard a lot about this class from maybe some older siblings or some classmates. You've probably heard things like,
If I get a 4 or a 5, I can get out of this class and not have to take it in college, and that would be cool.
I heard that the tests aren't retakeable.
I heard Mr. Dallas is the coolest teacher in the entire math department.
Okay, that last part, yeah, that was true. I am actually the coolest teacher in the math department. But yes, you can get out of having to take this class in college if you get a 4 or a 5. Yes, the tests are retakeable. Use your imagination here, people. Don't just believe what everyone else says. So let's say you don't get college credit. You don't get a 3, 4, or 5. Maybe you get a 1 or 2. Was the class a waste of time? Absolutely not. If you have to take this class again in college, you're going to be even more prepared now. Having seen it for the second time, once you guys get to college, this class will be a piece of cake for you. Now, the goal is for you to get a 4 or 5. That way you can opt out of this class in college and save yourself, I don't know, what, $1,000? Factor in paying off a textbook and a loan off of 10 years. You're going to save yourself $1,000, $2,000, I don't know, whatever it is. Cha-ching! Look, instead of just listening to me blabber on and on about why you should take calculus, let me just have one of my former students tell you why you should take calculus. At the end of every year, I have students write letters to incoming students. This is something from a former student to anyone who's thinking about taking calculus, instead of taking it in college. If I had to give advice to incoming students, what I'd really say depends on the type of person they are. If they want to work hard, and or do they just want to do the minimum to get by. This class is a family. You'll have highs, you'll have lows. You'll work off each other and build each other up. There's a sort of pride when it comes to everybody doing really well together. Don't be the person to purposefully mess that up for everyone because you don't care to put in the effort. On the other hand, if you're the type of person to challenge themselves and take their responsibility seriously, then this class can be loads of fun. Make sure you understand how important putting in the work is. This class is no joke when it comes to effort, but as long as you show effort and self-improvement, you will succeed. When I started this class, I thought I wanted to be a genetic counselor, which is a STEM major. After taking this class, I can happily say that I am a STEM major, but in mathematics education. All in all, take this class seriously. It might change the way you see your future. So that's from a former student. They took the class, they're telling you, hey, take the class. It's a great class. You're going to learn some things. You're going to learn about all the different types of math that you've taken your entire life in one class. Calculus ties together all of those things. You've always been wondering to yourself,
when am I ever going to use this stuff?
I'm never going to need this stuff in real life. Well, calculus is the one class that does that for you. It brings it all together. It ties in units of algebra, geometry, trig, pre-calc, all in one course. It's a great class. It's a lot of fun, and we're going to do a lot of cool things in this class. And I hope to see you guys in here next year. See ya.